2 hot air balloons are off the ground. For the first balloon, the distance from the bottom of the basket to the top of the balloon is 14 feet. For the second balloon, this distance is 11 feet. The top of balloon 1's balloon is 5 feet above the bottom of balloon 2's basket. If the distance from the ground up to the bottom of balloon 1's basket is 74 feet, how far in feet is it from the ground up to the top of balloon 2's balloon? That's confusing. Hint, draw a picture showing the vertical distances. Yeah, this is all about drawing a good picture showing the vertical distances. So let's give this a try. So here we go. So I'm going to draw balloon number 1 here. Well, that's a hot air balloon has a bigger balloon and a smaller basket, doesn't it? There we go. So there's balloon number 1. And they're telling me the distance for the first balloon from the bottom of the basket to the top of the balloon is 14 feet. So that would mean from here to here, like that. See, I put those double arrows. That's helpful. That's how engineers diagram pictures. They put double-sided arrows, so that makes it super clear exactly what you're saying, which is what we need on this problem, is to be really clear exactly what we're saying. So I would encourage you to use those double arrows like engineers do. Next statement, for the second balloon, this distance is 11 feet. So there's some kind of second balloon. I'll put it over here. And it's a little more compact. They're saying from there to there is only 11 feet. For this, say it's a little closer. It's not got such a long string. The other one, maybe I can make it a little bit longer. The other one has a longer basket. All right. Anyway, so far so good. And now let's keep going. The top of balloon 1's balloon, it's up here, is 5 feet above the bottom of balloon 2's basket. Oh. So from here, 5 feet above the bottom of balloon 2's basket to there. So there to there is 5 feet, right? Isn't that what it says? The top of balloon 1's balloon is 5 feet above the bottom of balloon 2's basket. So that's got to be 5 feet. Huh. What do you think about my diagram? Can that be 5 feet? Can here to here be 5 feet and this is 11 feet? What's going on? I did their words. Right? What am I doing wrong? I'm getting crickets from y'all. Nothing? No idea? What's going on? Didn't I follow the words? But that looks crazy. 5's bigger than 11? No, it's not. What's going on? Have I completely stumped you?
Aren't you going to add that 5 to the 14?
Why would I do that?
Because you're 5 feet away from the other one, right?
Well, the words say right here, the top of balloon 1's balloon, which is right here, right, is 5 feet above the bottom of balloon 2's basket, which is right here, bottom of balloon 2's basket. So they're saying from there to there is 5 feet, right? Aren't I being true to the words? I'm not sure what you want to do with the 14. The 14 is just how far from the top to the bottom for balloon number 1. That is 14, I agree, but I'm not sure why I would want to add it or subtract it, I don't see that. Could you clarify that? Why would I want to add that or subtract that? Any ideas? Is this just a crazy problem that's impossible? No, nobody knows? Okay, I don't want to, we need to get on with things. So I was kind of hoping that somebody would come up with it, but maybe this is a good exercise for you to see. Do you know what, guys? I made an assumption. I did it on purpose wrongly to help you see when you accidentally do it wrongly. Do you see that I assumed balloon 1 was higher than balloon 2? They never said that. They never said that. They never said balloon 1 is higher than balloon 2. I just automatically drew it that way. But now it's clear to see that's wrong. That's the problem. You see, I made balloon 1 higher than balloon 2. It must be the other way around. They never said one way or the other, but we can now tell from the 5 and the 11 that the balloon 1 must actually be below balloon 2. In other words, let's go back now, take this balloon 1 and put him like this. And here, let me move him over just a little bit. Like that. He must be a little lower than balloon 2. In fact, let me move him down just a little bit more. Balloon 1, sorry, I keep changing my mind here. Balloon number 1 must be a little lower than balloon 2. Let's put all the same numbers back, right? The first balloon from the bottom of the basket to the top of the balloon is 14 feet. Right? That's still true. I'm not changing any of the facts. For the second balloon, that's 11. Got it. Balloon 1. Okay, now the top of balloon 1's balloon from right, let me change the color here. From the top of balloon 1's balloon right here to the bottom of balloon 2's basket, this must be 5 feet. Now let me redraw balloon 2. So part of what you do here is it's a lot of drawing and redrawing until things fit, until it looks right. You just keep drawing and redrawing until it's all good. There we go. And now this, it told me from here to here is 11. Ah, that's looking better, isn't it? Do you see how that still fits all the facts, but now it's right? Let me make this bigger because it's supposed to be 14, and so it just doesn't look longer. There we go. All right, let's go through the facts and make sure. For the first balloon, the bottom of the basket to the top is 14. Yeah, that's 14 from bottom to top. For the second balloon, this is 11, right? Bottom to top, 11. Yep. The top of balloon 1's balloon, right here, is 5 feet above the bottom of balloon 2's basket. Yeah, that's 5, which is smaller than the 11. See, it's all working now. That's their way of telling us balloon 2's higher. Now let's keep going on with the problem. See how I had to adjust my diagram there? It's a lot of what you need to do on these problems. Let's put the ground down here now. This is the ground. And it's saying from the ground to the bottom of balloon 1 basket is, let me read this, 74 feet. So from there to, now it doesn't look like 74, but good enough. I'm not going to redraw everything in the world just for that. So from the ground to the bottom of balloon 1 basket is 74. How far, here's the question. How far in feet from the ground to the top of balloon 2's balloon? So from here all the way to there. That's what they want me to figure out, from the ground to up to the top of balloon 2's balloon. What is that distance? How am I going to figure that out? Well, what you should do, we're running out of time, so let me go kind of quickly here. What you should do is run these lines straight over. That'd be the easiest thing to do. Run these lines straight over. Like that. That'll help. And then let's just take it piece by piece. And so then we go, oh, okay. So from here to there, this is 74 from there to there. And, oh, we can just go, you know, we don't need this middle piece, do we? Just go all the way there is 14, right? That 14 right there. And then what is it from there to there? Do we know that piece?
Six.
Good job. It's got to be 6, doesn't it? Because see right here, this 6 and 5 has to make 11. So everybody see that on the diagram? That 11, so I get that by 11, take away 5 equals 6. Right? Because from here to here is 11. From here to here is 5. So 11 take away 5 is 6. So that's got to be 6. And now we can add those up. 6, 14, 74. 6, 14, 74 is 94. So the answer is 94. From the ground up to the top of balloon 2's balloon must be 94 feet. 94 feet. So that's pretty tricky. You have to really keep adjusting your picture until the words are correct, but I had accidentally assumed that balloon 1 was higher. They'd never said that, and that led me into trouble. And then I adjusted, made balloon 2 higher, and all the numbers made sense. And then I was able to piece together the distance from the ground to the top of balloon 2's balloon.